Hey guys, it's me, Ryan. Today I'm back, and I'm doing my first ever Which One is Best. And today we're doing on 2 Nerf guns. I'm sorry about that, but we're gonna do it on 2 Nerf guns. One is the Retaliator, the Unstrike Elite Unstrike Elite, the Unstrike Elite Demolisher, and this normal Retaliator. So I'm going to tell you a few facts about them, and then you leave in the comments which one you think is best. Anyways, first, the Demolisher. It has missiles and darts. It can't really shoot that fast, and it comes with a 10 dart clip. So, and it also has a pretty epic sound when you do it. So you probably hear it. And then you just pull the trigger. So that is the Demolisher. And then the Retaliator. It comes with a 12 dart clip, and you can just fire it rapidly. So like this. Like that. So which one do you think is best? Leave it in the comments, and so just have a great day, and bye.